Welcome to Rather Be Teaching. I'm Janelle Carroll, and let's get started. Today, I'd rather be teaching Station2Station. Let's look at the overhead map, the timer, the music, and dice and action. So here's what your overhead map is going to look like. You're going to be projecting this up in the front for all your students to see. As you can tell, you have those 8 modular centers, right? Story Cube Central, T-Chart Challenge. They're all on the right-hand side. Now, there is some like little cells that correspond with each of the different stations. You can see those very clearly on the map. Notice how the higher ordered thinking zone has a temporarily closed little symbol on it. That basically is going to signify to your students that that particular station is closed and they're not going to be able to do that station that day. So if there's a station that you're not going to be using, or you're just not, it's not going to work with what you're doing that day, you can just put a little temporarily closed on there and students know that they're not going to be doing that one. And let's take a look at the timer. The timer is already there ready for you. For this station to station, I like to do about 30-minute timer. Now remember, the way that this is particularly different than a QR break-in is that students are working on one station for that whole 30 minutes of time. Now you could maybe do a little bit higher and a little bit lower on the timer if that's something that you want to do. And then it's basically ready, set, go. Easy peasy. You've got your scoreboard up in the front of the room. Your dice with all those little cells are going to be set up on a table, and you're going to find some great music that kind of goes with that cell showdown. I think on YouTube I found kind of like some hacker music that went with this, and then you have your timer running down. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.